This is a fit for a 2017 through 2018 and likely beyond Kia Niro with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in black with integrated feet. This front position is part number 7602B and offers 33.5 inches of usable bar space between the feet. It connects to the flush side rails using Thule's Complete Fit Kit, part number KIT 4076. It includes the contoured rubber bases as well as the rubberized metal brackets that grip the edges of the flush side rail. Here we have the bars positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. This rear load bar is also 7602B. It offers 33 inches of usable bar space between the feet. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Visit our site for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.